Hey guys, this is another Soundroom tutorial. Today we'll be covering the board. The first thing you want to do is look back here. There's a switch. Put that switch on. Make sure everything is lit. Then you're going to come to the amp. Turn the amp on. Make sure everything is lit up and good. And make sure the volume is up. And just unmute the different mics as needed. This is the pulpit mic. This is the purple mic is 7. The orange mic is 8. The gray mic is 12. And the blue mic is 15. And that's it. That's the soundboard.